भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 132, फिफ्थ कारिका, टीका, सेकंड पैराग्राफ। सांख्य इज द पूर्व पक्ष। नाउ आत्मनः सर्वत्र एकत्वात् तस्य स्वरूपेण सर्वसुखादिमत्वम् इति द्वितीयं पक्षं विवक्षन् आशंकते। द्वितीय पक्ष, इफ आत्मा इज वन, आत्मनः सर्वत्र एकत्वात्, देन तस्य स्वरूपेण सर्वसुखादिमत्वम्, then Atma will be Sukha Swarupa. This is Dvitiya Paksha. Swarupena Sarva Sukhadimatva. Pratham Paksha was in the previous sentence, किमिदम एकात्म्ये सांकर्यम किम एकस्मिन् जीवे व्यवस्थितेन सुखादिना जीवांतराणाम तद्वत्त्वं स्यादिति उच्यते। वन पक्ष। किं वा सर्वोपाधिषु आत्मैक्यात् तस्य स्वरूपेण सर्वसुखादिमत्वं स्यात्। दिस इज द सेकंड विकल्प. सो फर्स्ट विकल्प आद्यम was already mentioned in the bhashya earlier, तद्वत् जीवाः सुखादिभिः. नौ स्वरूपेण सर्वसुखादिमत्वम् इति द्वितीयं पक्षं विवक्षन् आशंकते। ननु एक एव आत्मा बाढ़म। सिद्धांति विल से यस। टीका, सर्वत्र आत्म एकत्वम् उक्तम् अंगीकरोति। सिद्धांति विल एक्सेप्ट दैट यस, there is only one Atma. तद एकत्वम् उपपत्ति शून्यम कथम अंगीकृतम इति आशंका. This ekatvam, oneness, is upapatti shunyam. Upapatti means Yukti. Upapatti means yukti. So this is yukti shunyam. You have not shown any yukti to prove that there is one Atma. Atmanah ekatvam upapatti shunyam. Katham angikritam, how did you accept it? इति आशंक्याः ननु न श्रुतं त्वया आकाशवत् सर्वसंघातेषु एक एव आत्मा इति ननु सिद्धांति is telling Purvapakshi, have you not heard that in all sanghata there is only one Atma like Akasha? न श्रुतं त्वया आकाशवत् सर्वसंघातेषु एक एव आत्मा इति टीका यदि सर्वत्रैकत्वं नियतम् इष्यते तर्हि तत्र तत्र सुखित्वं दुःखित्वं च तस्यैव एकस्य प्राप्तम् इति व्यवस्था असिद्धिः इति चोदयति सर्वत्र एकत्वं नियतम नियतम मीन्स नियमित रूपेण वेल ऑर्डेन्ड 6 नंबर टिप्पणी अनेन स्वकर्मजन्य देह भेदेषु आत्मा भेदो मयापि इष्यते इति ध्वन्यते अनेन by this स्वकर्मजन्य देह भेदेषु in different bodies which are arising from different karmas of the same jiva swakarmajanya deha bhedeshu atma abhedo that there is oneness of atma maya api ishyate iti dhvanyate. So Purvapakshi also accepts that there is one atma which is throughout the existence which has performed varieties of karmas and goes through varieties of bodies. यदि सर्वत्र एकत्वं नियतम् इष्यते नियमित रूपेण इष्यते स्वीक्रियते तर्हि तत्र तत्र सुखित्वं दुःखित्वं च in each of them सुखित्वं दुःखित्वं च तस्यैव एकस्य प्राप्तम् एकस्य आत्मनः सुखित्वं दुःखित्वं च प्राप्तम् इति व्यवस्था असिद्धिः चोदयति. So then there will be व्यवस्था असिद्धि. There will be problem in the व्यवस्था. That Siddhanti has said. So Purvapakshi is going to tell what is that Vyavastha Siddhi. Second number tippani you can see on page 133. Vyavastha Siddhi ekasya yugapat viruddha aneka dharma anashrayatva niyamo. Viruddha aneka dharma anashrayatva niyamo vyavastha. This is the vyavastha first he says. Ekasya, one Atma simultaneously cannot be the ashraya of viruddha aneka dharma. One Atma can be simultaneously ashraya of many dharmas or not. One Atma simultaneously, can it be ashraya of many dharmas or not? Yes. One Atma simultaneously, can it be ashraya of viruddha aneka dharma or not? No. According to this Sankhya Darshan, no. Means in one Atma, Sukha also and Dukha also. Sukha and Dukha are Viruddha. So this Vyavastha will not happen. You see the Tika from previous line. Again you pay attention. Yadi sarvatra ekatvam niyatam ishyate. If there is only one Atma. Somewhere there is Sukhitvam, Ashraya is Atma. Somewhere there is Dukhitvam, Ashraya is Atma. So Sukhitva, Dukhitva, they are Aneka Dharma, means different, and they are Viruddha, they are opposite. And they have the same Ashraya. According to Sankhya Darshan, this will not work. Tasyeva ekasya praptam iti vyavastha asiddhihi iti chodayati. भाष्य यदि एक एव आत्मा तरहि सर्वत्र सुखी दुखी च स्यात्. If there is only one Atma, sarvatra it will become sukhi or sarvatra it will become dukhi. Means everywhere it will have sukham or everywhere it will have dukham. Tika. Atma Swarupasya Sarvatra Ekatve. Atma Swarupa is one, Sarvatra Eka. Sarvatra Ekatve api Kalpita Bhedat Vyavastha Siddhi iti abhipratya. Due to Kalpita Bheda, there is Bhed Vyavastha Siddhi. Means there is Nanatvam. So Atma is one. He explains, third number tippani, Atma Swarupasya Sarvatra Ekatve api. So third number tippani, Vriksha Ekatve api Shakha Muladi Avachedaka Bhedena Sanyogat Tad Abhavadi Viruddha Dharma Vyavastha Vat iti bhavaha. So this Viruddha Dharma Vyavastha is done. Atmanaha ekatve. How? Drishtanta you see. Vrikshaikatve api. So there is one tree. Shakha avachedena. Shakha avachedena kapi sanyoga. Moolavachedena kapi sanyoga abhava. One tree is there. Avachhedakas are different. Vriksha is called adhikarana. And avachhedakas are different. Avachhedaka is shakha, moolam. So if kapi is there in the shakha, you say shakha avachhedena kapi sanyoga. Moolavachhedena kapi sanyoga abhava. So that is given. Vrikshaikatve api Shakha Muladi Avachedaka Bhedena Sanyoga Tadabhavadi Viruddha Dharma Vyavastha Avat. ऐसा हो जाएगा. It will happen. Iti bhava. So now you see that line in Tika. Atma Swarupasya Sarvatra Ekatve api Kalpita Bhedat Vyavastha Siddhihi. Because of Kalpita such Bheda, Avachedaka Bheda, Vyavastha Siddhi will happen. Iti abhipratya. Siddhanti is asking, Kim idam Sankhyasya Chodyam Kim va Vaisheshika Dehe iti vikalpya. Who is talking? Who is suggesting this? Sankhya or Vaisheshika? Sankhyasya Chodyam Kim va Vaisheshika Dehe iti vikalpya. Adyam Pratyaha. first see Bhashya now. He says Sankhya cannot say this. Nacha idam Sankhya chodyam sambhavati. Why? Because in Sankhya, Sukha and Dukha are not in Atma. In Vaisheshika, Sukha and Dukha are in Atma. In Sankhya, Sukha and Dukha are in Buddhi. Buddhi is Pradhana. नहीं सांख्य आत्मनः सुख दुखादि मत्वम इच्छति. टीका. किंच ऐकात्म्यम दूषयता सांख्येन तद्भेदो अभ्युपगम्यते. ऐकात्म्यम दूषयता. सांख्य they don't accept ekatmavada. Aikatmyam, they do dushayata. They accept the bheda. Tad bhedo abhyupagamyate. So they say many atmas. Atmanaha sukha dukkhadi matvam sankhya na ichhati. Why? Buddhi samavaya abhyupagamat sukha dukkhadinam. So, according to Sankhya Darshan, many Atmas, many Buddhis, Sukha Dukha are in Buddhi. Sacha na abhyupagantum shakyate tanmana abhavat ityaha. Sa means bhedaha. Tad bhedaha abhyupagantum na shakyate. Sankhya has accepted bheda. But Vedanta says, we will not accept such bheda. Na shakyate. Why? There is no pramanam for Atma bheda. Atma nanatva bheda, there is no pramanam for that. Sankhya bheda, there is no pramanam in Shruti, in Vedanta for that. Pradhanam hi kasyachid bhogam apavargam cha kasyachid adadat purusha vishesham ishyate. Pradhanam, what does it do? It gives kasyachid bhogam, gives bhoga to someone. Kasyachid upavargam, gives moksha to somebody. Adadat, and therefore it expects Purusha Vishesha, the Visheshata in Purusha, in Atma. This Purusha is different, this Purusha is different. Purva Pakshi is asking that in Sankhya Siddhanta, Pradhanam will give Bhoga Apavarga, means Moksha, Bhoga Apavarga, to different Purusha. This will not be valid if there is only one Purusha. Tacha Purusha Bheda Abhave no papadyate. If you say there is no Bheda in Purusha, then how will Pradhana know to whom should it give Bhoga, to whom it should give Moksha? So Purusha Bheda is required. Tena Arthapatya Purusha Bheda Siddhyati. Because earlier Siddhanti said there is no pramanam. Purvapakshi says there is pramanam. What is the pramanam? Arthapatti. Arthapatya Purusha Bheda Siddhyati. Iti Shankate. Bheda Bhave. No, previous line. न च उपलब्धि स्वरूपस्य आत्मनो भेद कल्पनायां प्रमाणम अस्ति. दिस इज सिद्धांति. उपलब्धि स्वरूप आत्मा, उपलब्धि स्वरूप Previous sentence is clear. Sukha dukhadi matvam ichhati buddhi samvaya abhyupagamad. Buddhi samvaya means sukha dukha is in buddhi. There samvaya, because Sankhya doesn't have samvaya sambandha and all. Atma is, if it is upalabdhi swarupa means sanmatra. For Satchit Swarupa Atma, in Bheda Kalpana, there is no Pramanam. See, this object and this object, they are two different. Why? There is some Vishesha in there. In length, in height, weight, etc. There is some Bheda. If you say Atma is only Sat Swarupa, Chit Swarupa, so this is only Sat Chit, this is Sat Chit, another thing is also Sat Chit, all are Atma, Sat Chit Swarupa. Then what will distinguish one Atma from the other Atma? Nothing. You need some Vishesha to show the Bheda. So Siddhanta is saying Atma, which is only Upalabdhi Swarupa, there is no Pramanam for Bheda Kalpana. Purvapakshi said Arthapatti is there. What is the Arthapatti? Pradhanam gives Bhoga Apavarga to Purusha. It will give only based on Bheda. Means some Vishesha has to be there in Purusha, which will differentiate one Purusha from the other Purusha, one Atma from the other Atma. Based on that Bheda, Pradhanam will decide who will get Bhoga, who will get Moksha. So this Arthapatti, Purusha Bheda Anupapatya, Pradhanasya Kasyachid Bhogam, Kasyachid Apavargam, Adhanam na ishyate. So that's why Tasmat Purusha Bheda Kalpanam. We will do Kalpana of Purusha Bheda. Otherwise, how will Pradhana do this distribution? Kashya. Bheda abhave pradhanasya pararthya anupapattihi. If there is no Bheda in Atma, then pradhanasya pararthyam. Pradhana means Prakriti. Prakriti is for something else. Parartha. That pararthya will be anupapannam. Because the whole purpose of Prakriti is what? It functions for Purusha. It does not have its own prayojanam. So, if you don't show any Bheda in Atma, Pradhana will have nothing to do. Nothing means it cannot give Bhoga Apavarga. Bheda abhave pradhanasya pararthya anupapattihi iti chet Purvapakshi is saying. Tika Arthapattehe anudayam vadan uttaram ah. Siddhanti says, no, Arthapatti itself will not arise here. Why? Sankshiptam eva uktam vivranoti. So first he gives na. Pradhana kritasya arthasya atmani asamavayat. Pradhana krita artha is not in Atma with samvaya sambandha. Pradhana krita artha means bhoga and apavarga. Bhoga and apavarga, see, what did he say? And this thing, now See, when it is Vedanta Darshan, it is very easy. We can comfortably listen. Sankhya means you have to be little alert. Nyaya Vaisheshika means you have to be lot more alert. Because their darshans we are not familiar with and they think differently. So many Atmas, Purvapakshi is, according to Sankhya Darshan, many Atmas. Then there is Pradhanam. Pradhanam is meant for somebody else. That is Purusha. Purusha should have Bheda. Then Pradhanam will do distribution of Bhoga Moksha. If Purusha doesn't have Bheda, Pradhanam is not working for Purusha. If you say Bheda is in Buddhi, then Pradhanam is working for Pradhanam only. It is not working for Purusha. Therefore, somehow you have to show Bheda in Purusha. Then you can say Pradhanam is working for Purusha. In other words, Jada Pradhanam is for the sake of Chaitanya Atma. To accept that, you have to have Bheda in Atma. If you remove Bheda from Atma and you move Bheda into Buddhi in Pradhanam, the role of Pradhanam for the sake of Atma will vanish. That is this discussion. Siddhanti says, Pradhana Kritasya Arthasya. Pradhana Krita Artha in the form of Bhoga and Apavarga is not in Atma. First, Siddhanti said, Sukha Dukha is not in Atma. Sukha Dukha is in Buddhi, Pradhana. Now, Siddhanti is saying, Bandha and Moksha is not in Atma. Is also in Buddhi. Pradhana Kritasya Arthasya Atmani Asamavayat. It is not in Atma with Samavaya Sambandha. Bandha Moksha also. Why? Yadi hi pradhana krito bandho moksho va artha purusheshu bhedena samavaiti. If at all pradhana krita bandha moksha bheda would be in Purusha. Purusheshu bhedena samavaiti. Tataha. Then pradhanasya pararthyam atmaikatve nopapadyate. Then pradhanasya pararthyam, that pradhana is for the sake of something else, which is Atma, is called pararthyam. Parartha. If there is one Atma, a pradhana has no role. So this vakya is yadi hi pradhana krito bandho moksho va artha. This is the artha. Artha shabda earlier he used in Tika. Where did he use the artha shabda? Artha shabda, where was it used? Or in Bhashya? Oh, that is the only one. Bandho moksha va artha. In Bhashya. Purusheshu bhedena samavaiti. In Purusha, through bhedena samavaiti, tataha pradhanasya pararthyam atmaikatve nopapadyate. Iti yukta purusha bheda kalpana. Purvapakshi is suggesting, if pradhanakrita bandha or moksha, bandha moksha va artha, purusheshu bhedena samvaiti. If it is samaveta in Purusha, so Purusha should have some bheda. Purusha means Atma 1 different from Atma 2, Atma 3, Atma 4, Atma 5. Then somewhere bandha, somewhere moksha. In bandha also more bhoga, less bhoga, etc. then pradhanasya pararthyam atma ekatve. If there is only one atma, then it will not be justified. Ekatve na upapadyate iti. And therefore yukta purusha bheda kalpana. Purusha bheda kalpanas are justified. टीका प्रधानस्य पारार्थ्य सामर्थ्यादेव पुरुषेषु कश्चिद अतिशयो भविष्यति. Pradhana is meant for parartha. Pradhanasya pararthya samarthya. On the strength of that, purusheshu kaschid atishaya. Some speciality, something unique has to be there in each atma. So this atma is different, this atma is different. How different darshana? Then their thinkings are so different. Atishaya bhavishyati iti ashankya अपसिद्धांत प्रसंगात नैवम. It will be अपसिद्धांत. भाष्य न च सांख्यैः बंधो मोक्षो वा अर्थः पुरुष समवेतो अभ्युपगम्यते. By Sankhya, the bandha or moksha vyavastha is not accepted because of purusha bheda. Nahi sankhyehi bandha moksho va artha purusha samveta. They say bandha moksha is not in purusha. Sukha dukha is not in purusha. Bandha moksha is also not in purusha. Why? Because nirvisheshacha चेतन मात्रा आत्मानः अभ्युपगम्यन्ते. जैसे आत्मा इज निर्विशेष चेतन मात्र अभ्युपगम्यन्ते. अतः पुरुष सत्ता मात्र प्रयुक्तम एव प्रधानस्य पारार्थ्यम सिद्धम न तो पुरुष भेद प्रयुक्तम. पुरुष सत्ता मात्र प्रयुक्तम प्रधानस्य पारार्थ्यम. You say pradhana is for something else. What is that other? Purusha. Okay. What aspect? Only Purusha Satta. Pradhana is expecting only Purusha Satta, not Purusha Bheda. Purusha Bheda is not needed. Purusha Satta Matra is needed. That is enough. So Pradhana works for Purusha Satta, not Purusha Bheda. Kincha, further now, next page. So previous page, all tippanis, last tippani also you see, Pararthasya Purusha Bheda Upapadyatvena. Pradhana is working for Pararthya means according to them Purusha Bheda. According to us, no. If you say Purusha Bheda, you will have to accept bandha and moksha in Purusha, which is not there. Sukha and dukha in Purusha. You don't accept. So then you will not have this. Kincha pradhanasya pararthyam param sheshinam apekshate. Moreover, pradhanasya pararthyam param sheshinam. It expects only Atma, not Atma Bheda. Param Sheshi is Atma. Na tasmin Bhedam api kankshate. In Atma, Bheda is also needed. That is not true. So these things we should understand in Darshana. What is minimum that is required for Vyavastha? There is Laghava. This is also needed, that is also needed. That is not true. What many examples are there. If I say, let's say I tell somebody, you can come with me for a walk to Gangaji, let us. But you have to wear only those chappals. Coming is enough. Satta is enough. What you have to wear, that is not needed. That specification is not required. So here also, प्रधानस्य पारार्थ्यम परम शेषिणम अपेक्षते न तस्मिन् भेदम अपि कांक्षते अतः अन्यथा अपि उपपत्ति ही अन्यथा उपपत्ति इज आल्सो देयर व्हाट इज अन्यथा उपपत्ति सी अतः पुरुष भेद कल्पनायां न प्रधानस्य पारार्थ्यम हेतु प्रधानस्य पारार्थ्यम पुरुष सत्ता मात्रेण सिद्ध्यति तस्मात् न पुरुष भेद कल्पनायां प्रधानस्य पारार्थ्यम पुरुष सत्ता इज इनफ because pradhana is jada. You need something else which is chaitanya and it is existing, pradhana will work. Then he says the question remains, janma maranadi vyavastha anupapatya purusha bheda kalpanam api na yuktam. Purva Pakshi will ask this question, that what was the problem? Original problem was, if you say many atmas, first you said one atma, many anatma. Then janma, marana, sukha, dukkha, bandha, moksha, this vyavastha will not happen. So we'll have to accept many atmas. But if you accept many atmas and they are same, there is no bheda in them, there is no distinction, again, how will pradhana know what should be given to who, sukha, dukkha, bandha, moksha, etc.? So Siddhanti said, sukha, dukkha is not in Atma, according to you, according to Sankhya. Remember, Bhashyakara is explaining Sankhya darshan. We are telling him, how is your darshan, you think properly. You don't know what your philosophy is. What is your darshan? I will explain. Then Purva Pakshi will say, what about this vyavastha then? Sukha, dukkha, bandha, moksha. He says, sukha, dukkha is in buddhi. Bandha, moksha is in buddhi. Bandha, moksha is in buddhi. Janma marana is in sthula sharira. So depending upon where it is, you accept bheda there. Why you want to accept bheda elsewhere? Janma maranadi vyavastha anupapatya purusha bheda kalpanam api na yuktam. You say janma maranadi vyavastha will not happen. Therefore, Purusha Bheda Kalpanam, I will have to accept Purusha Bheda. Siddhanti says it is na yuktam, it is not correct. Why? Vyadhikaranatvat iti. 1 number tippani. Vyadhikaranatvat iti. Janma marane dehanishte bhedasya purushanishtaha iti. Janma marana bhedanam vayyadhikaranyam tasmad. See this how he explains. He says, Sankhya says, Siddhanti will ask Sankhya, why do you accept many atmas? Is it because when there is somebody born, somebody else is dying. So janma is different, marana is different, sthiti is different. Therefore, somebody is young, somebody is old, somebody is male, somebody is female. Therefore, there should be many atmas. Sankhya said. Siddhanta is saying, where do you see janma marana? in Sharira? Where do you see Purusha Stri Bheda in Sharira? Where do you see young age, old age, etc. in Sharira? You are seeing Bheda in Sharira. You are doing Kalpana of Bheda in Atma. This is called Vyadhikaran. Vyadhikaran. Where you are seeing Bheda, there you should have there you should say Bheda is. You are seeing Bheda because of Janma Marana, Sukha Dukha, etc. in Sharira. And you are saying, therefore, we should accept Bheda in Atma. This is inappropriate statement. Janma Marane Dehanishta. That 1 number tippani. Janma Marana are Dehanishta. And you are saying Bheda is in Purushanishta. So, iti Janma Marana Bhedanam Vyadhikaranyam. There is not Samanadhikarana. Vyadhikaranya. Tasmat. That is Vyadhikaranatvat. न च अन्यत् पुरुष भेद कल्पनायां प्रमाणम अस्ति सांख्यानाम. पुरुष भेद कल्पनायां सांख्यानाम अन्यत् प्रमाणम न अस्ति. For Purusha Bheda Kalpana, Sankhya do not have any other pramana. न केवलम प्रमाण शून्य पुरुष भेद कल्पना किंतु प्रयोजन शून्य च इत्याह. Not only this Purusha Bheda Kalpana is Pramana Shunya, but also Prayojana Shunya. There is no Prayojanam for this. Ityaha. Para satta matram eva cha etat nimitti kritya swayam badhyate muchyate cha pradhanam. See, Bhashyakar is explaining. Para satta. Para means, who is the para here? Purusha. Compared to Pradhanam, para is Purusha. Purusha has satta. Para satta matram eva cha etan nimitti kritya. Para satta matram nimitti kritya swayam badhyate muchyate cha pradhanam. Pradhana alone gets bound. Pradhana alone gets liberated. So now this point you understand. What is this? Buddhi has bandhan, Buddhi has moksha. Surya does not have bandhan. Not bandhan. Ratri or divas. Din Ratri Kalpana is not in Surya. It is in Prithvi. Prithvi has the concept of day and night, not the sun. Bandha moksha will be in Buddhi, not in Atma. From Atma standpoint, because there was no bandha, therefore there is no mukti. That which is ever free, it cannot say, now I am free. And therefore it does not know what is bondage. Okay. Swayam badhyate pradhanam. Muchyate cha pradhanam. Pradhana alone gets bondage and liberation. Tika. Nanu na purusha satta matram nimitti kritya pradhanam pravartate. Purvapakshi says, no, I don't agree that Purusha Satta Matram Nimitti Kritya. Only based on the Purusha Satta Pradhanam Pravartate. Then what? Kintu Ishvara Adhishtitam Eva Seshwaravadi Matam Ashankya Tasyapi Purushatva Avisheshat Upalabdhi Matratvam Abhyupetya Aha. Kintu Ishvara Adhishtitam iti. ईश्वर अधिष्ठितम पुरुष सत्ता मात्रम. हाँ, ईश्वर अधिष्ठितम निमित्तीकृत्य प्रधानम प्रवर्तते. Who says Seshwar Vadi? Seshwar means Yoga Darshan. They are called Seshwar Sankhya because Ishwarena Saha Yesham Vadaha. Sankhya doesn't have Ishwara. This is Seshwara Sankhya. Seshwarvadi Matam Ashankya. Tasyapi Purushatva Avisheshat. For them also, Purushatva Avisheshat, Upalabdhi Matratvam Abhyupetya. For them also, it is the same thing. Even if you say not Purusha Satta, Ishvara Satta, Ishvara Adhishtitam Pradhanam. Pradhana is functioning based on Ishvara. Still, there is no need to attribute Bheda in Purusha. Without adding Bheda in Purusha, any distinction in Purusha, whether you say it is Purusha Satta Matra or Ishvara Satta Matra, whatever, Pradhanam can function. And still you can justify Pradhana is for Parartha. Pararthyam will be justified. Whether it is Atma Satta or Ishvara Satta. Purusha Satta or Purusha Vishesha. Ishvara. That is Parasha. Then what do these people say otherwise? Keval Mudhataya eva Purusha Bheda Kalpana Vedartha Parityagascha. Therefore, what Sankhyans have done? Out of Mudhata only, Keval Mudhataya eva Purusha Bheda Kalpana. That there are many Purushas, this Kalpana is done only out of foolishness. And Purusha Bheda Kalpana and Vedartha Parityaga. And you have given up what is said by the Vedas. Up to this is Sankhya. Sankhya Darshan is refuted. Now, Tika. Vedartho Veda Pratipadya Advaitam Dvitiyam Uthapayati. Veda Pratipadya Dvaitam. Ma is missing there. In the middle. Vedartho Intika. Vedartho Veda Pratipadya Madvaitam. Vedartho Veda Pratipadyam Advaitam Dvitiyam Uthapayati. What is the Veda Artha? Veda Pratipadyam Advaitam. The Dvitiya Mata is this Vaisheshika Matam. Ye tu Ahu Vaisheshikadaya Ichhadaya Atma Samavaina iti. Those who say Ichha etc. are Atma Samavai. Atma Samavaina nahi. Atma Samavaina. They are given in Tika. Buddhi Sukha Dukkha Ichha Dvesha Prayatna Dharma Dharma Sanskaraha Nava Vishesha Gunaha. These are the 9 gunas. Ichhadaya means Ichha is there in the middle. Buddhi Sukha Dukkha Ichha. Buddhi means Jnanam. Sukha Dukkha. Ichha Dvesha. 5. Buddhi, Sukha Dukkha, Ichha Dvesha. Then Prayatna, Dharma Dharma, and Sanskara. So 9 are there. Nava Vishesha Gunaha. And they stay in Atma. These people are more wonderful. They say all these properties, attributes are in Atma. And that creates Bheda in Atma. Atma Samvainaha. Techa Pratyekam Atmasu Vyavasthaya Samavetaha Svikriyante. All of them, they are in Atma. Pratyekam Atmasu Vyavasthaya Samavetaha. Vyavasthaya थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी, देवदत्त आत्मसमवेत बुद्धि सुखादिभिः स एव बुद्धि सुखादिमानी इति बुद्धि सुखादिमान इति नियमो व्यवस्था तया. आत्मा, देवदत्त's atma has ichha, buddhi, sukha, dukha, ichha, dvesha, prayatna, dharma, dharma, sanskara, etc. There, Devadatta will say, I am buddhiman, sukhadiman, dukhadiman. Devadatta itself will have all this. So, and tesham vyavastha anupapatya pratideham atmabheda siddhihi ityartha. Their vyavastha, upapatti will not happen. Otherwise, how there will be sukha, dukha, etc., dharma, dharma, prayatna, ichha, dvesh. Therefore, pratideham atmabheda. Each body, one atma. And then they will have all these samskaras. Up to this, let us keep now, because the whole discussion is going to start. So their basis is this. Atma has buddhi, sukha, dukha, ichhadi, navagunas. They are there, that decides the separation. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.